Screenshots of content shared to the classroom display can be captured anytime sharing is active. Both students and teachers can capture a screenshot. The screenshot icon on the Vivi app will be accessible once someone is actively sharing to the display. To capture a screenshot, select the Screenshot button from the app homepage. Screenshots are saved automatically to the teacher or student device. If on a laptop, the image will be saved in a Vivi folder in the Pictures folder. If on a mobile device or a tablet, such as an iPad, the image will save to the camera roll. When the screenshot saves, a notification will appear in the Vivi app. From the notification, users will have the ability to select Annotate. Refer to our annotation video to learn about how you can annotate directly on the image captured via screenshot in the whiteboard. If the teacher wants to remove the ability for students to take screenshots, they can use privacy mode at any time. To activate privacy mode in the floating toolbar, select the arrow to expand the toolbar options, then select privacy mode. If using a version of the Vivi app that does not shrink into the floating toolbar, the privacy mode button can be found at the bottom of the app once sharing. It should be noted that activating privacy mode removes the ability for students to take screenshots. However, teachers will still have access to the screenshot feature.